What is up, fishy addicts? On today's video we are doing some topwater cicada fishing. I recently acquired a BFS reel just so I can use these bad boys. I had these lures for over 3-4 years. I have made 1 or 2 videos trying to fish with these, but unfortunately, due to their size, how heavy they are, it was extremely difficult for me to use them, and most of the time I couldn't make casts, or I made casts but it was taking a lot more effort than it should. So I recently bought myself a BFS reel from uh, Kast King. I don't know why I want to keep on saying Strike King. It's Kast King Kistler. I mean, I do love the reel. It is amazing. I got it hooked up to 8 pound, I would believe it is 8 pound, never mind, 10 pound braid, and to a 7 pound fluoro or 8 pound fluoro from Usuri. So, and it is a Usuri braid too. It was budget friendly, so I don't plan on using it that much. I got it just so to have it. No regrets. It's pretty nice reel. Let's talk about the lure though. So the cicada, it is from Jacko. It's supposed to have some tentacles over here, some skirt material, but unfortunately it fell off. And this lure, it's pain in the tush to use. So using it downstream, it works great. It works great downstream as long as there's no rapids or whatever. It worked pretty well. For the most part, it wouldn't flap. So sometimes I had to implement the action, maybe because the skirted material fell off from it, but it was difficult. So most of the action I had to implement it. But overall, it's a I had a pretty good day on it. Caught a couple of fish, and would I buy another one? Most likely not. I bought 5, and I still have 3 left, and um, but they're pretty good lure. They're just micro version of the Papador from Papador, whatever was it called. Uh, it's a cool lure to use if you have the gear. A lot of people use it on spinning rods. I am allergic to spinning rods, so I invested on BFS reel, which maybe I should invest on a BFS rod too. But so far, I do not see the need of it. Most of my reels can cast it, cast whatever I need, even except a couple of lures that are very not so aerodynamic like this one. Because of these little flappies, the lure catches a lot of the wind or a lot of air, so that's what makes it difficult to cast. But it was a pretty good day. I'm not gonna blab too much. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It does help me out a lot. So that's it, guys. Enjoy the video. Oh, there we go. There we go. First one. First one on the cicada. Look at that beautiful dandy. That little feisty one. Look at that, guys. A little feisty on the cicada. All I gotta do is try to get her out. There we go. Look at that on the cicada. All right, now the way you ate it, it'll be difficult. There we go. Nice little chunker, and there she goes like a bullet. So what I was doing is there's some fast current coming in, and I was targeting the shallows where it's slack water. I know there is a deep hole right there, so it's pretty nice. Not a big one, but I had 2 strikes earlier and they missed it. First one. See if we can get more. I finally figured out how to use the cicada. It's been 4 years since I used it last, and I remember why I stopped using it. So I have to keep my rod tip high in order for it to work, and does not like current, at least fast current. There we go. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Oh. Oh. Drag is too loose. I got 2-pound test to 6-pound braid. We're gonna have to work this one out. We're gonna have to work this one out, guys. We're gonna have to work this one out. Ah, come on. Don't do this to me, come on. Don't break me off. Do not break me off. Come on. Do not break me off. Keep some peeling drag. Oh, this is a good one. Come on. Come on. Come on, Cupcake, come on. Come on. Oh, you're a beauty, come on. Come on, those are tiny hooks. Those are tiny hooks. Oh, God. Oh, beautiful colors on this one. There we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that monster. Oh, he wanted that cicada. He wanted that cicada. Oh, look at that. Look at that monster on the cicada. All right. Now, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful fish on a tiny little cicada. Look at that. Beautiful fish. He has some marks on it. Oh no. Got you in the eyeball there too, buddy. Sorry. Not my intention. You'll be alright though. You'll be alright. Alright. Let's pop this. Now it's in my finger. There we go. Look at this, guys. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Beautiful smallmouth. There, we're gonna release her. She put up a nice fight. There he goes. She gone. Or he, I don't know. These days, he, they, it, bit. So, let's talk about this little rascal. So, I got this lure a couple of years back, and it wasn't swimming. As you guys can see, all the things fell off from it, and now it doesn't want to swim that good. So I have tightened this a little bit, so in this gap closed. But now for the most part I have to implement the action. But when I get home, I'm gonna put some skirt material over here and give it another try maybe. But so far it's a struggle. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna boost up the lure. But yeah, stay tuned. See if we can catch one more. Ooh. This was a surprise. This was a surprise. I know it's a deep hole over here. It's a deeper hole. And I casted the cicada and I switched to a puffy jig. And look at that. Look at that. And that nice one. This is a 1/4 ounce puffy jig. Beautiful smallmouth, red eye. Not bad. I want to make a couple of casts since it's deeper water. See what we can get and hit it right over here where it goes from 6 feet to 0 feet. There might be a couple of them in there. Let's give it a try. Alright, addicts. It was a pretty eventful day. The wind picked up and I kind of ruined it. Overall, I like the reel. Cast very well. Maybe I need a little bit better rod. Medium light would be preferable to cast the lures further. Other than that, it was a pretty good day. I did use the cicada. And reminded me, why did I stop using it in the first place? I think it's just it's very poorly built lure. For the price, it's not worth it. But it's a fun lure to cast. You know, it's mini pompadour in a sense, and pompadour
has very bad reputation of hookups and whatnot. It took me probably an hour and a half to figure out how to use that lure, the cadence and all that. And sometimes it wouldn't work, and I had to implement the action myself, which was fine. Overall, like I said, it was a very pleasant lure to use. Um, would I buy another one? No, I already have a bunch of them, and they're not anything to be brag about. It's fun to use it once in a while, um, and other than that, yeah. Enjoy the reel. Love the reel. It was pretty good. I do have it on 8 pound, 8 pound braid to 7 pound fluorocarbon as a leader. Enjoyed it. Oh, sleepy. Once I tuned it, it was casting pretty well. So overall, pretty good day. I caught a couple of fish, and then I met another angler that was over there, and we talked a little bit. We moved downstream. I did not record that uh, that part, but it was fun. We did catch a couple of fish. I wish I had I brought more of my jigs and top water and all that stuff, but still just packing up for Lake St. Clair for in 2 weeks actually. So um, pretty good day, and I really want to do some more top water, especially with the Hellraiser. Uh, Maybe next week I'll take the kayak out because I'm way too old to be waiting. My legs are shaking. I can feel my heartbeat on my toes. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It does help out a lot. And that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.